What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome back to another video. I am super excited to have these shoes, man. Whew. These things are absolutely fire. These are definitely probably the best Ultra Boost I have ever owned, period. These are definitely going to be probably on my top 10 best sneakers of 2019. We're talking about the Bape Ultra Boost collaboration. These things are so nice, man. Oof, these look nice. Just look at the they look super stealth. Oh, we know what an Ultra Boost is. I mean, by now you got a prime knit upper, full length boost, 3 stripes. They absolutely killed it on this. And I actually love how this one compared to the green camo print, they use gray stripes on these. You have the Bape logo on the tongue with the American flag, and then the other one just has the Adidas logo on the tongue. I'm sorry, Nike boys. I'm a Nike fan. Hey, Adidas stole the show on Saturday, without a doubt. Nike didn't even drop anything, which was kind of crazy. These shoes right here, they retail for $250, which is crazy for an Ultra Boost. Whew. These are not cheap at all, and I only can see resale value going up on these shoes as time goes on. I did not see anywhere where you could buy the gray camo print besides at Super Bowl weekend, I believe, when they did the Adidas pop-up shop. But I think most retailers only carried the green camo print, not the gray camo print. That's why it was probably easier to cop. Yeah, overall, man, this shoe is fire. Definitely a keeper. And then on the inside too, has the Bape, again, the Bape logo and the American flag. Sick. Guys, let me know what you overall thoughts of the whole Bape football collaboration. To me, obviously the main attraction were these Ultra Boosts. However, I know some people wanted the jerseys, the hoodies. All of it sold out instantly, and I think most of it's going very well for resale value, unfortunately. So if you want to cop it, Bape and Adidas, it's always going to sell out no matter everyone saying, oh, the hype is dead on these. It will always sell out, and there will always be some good resale value. If I sold these, I could probably sell them for about $400, but I don't want to. These are definitely staying in my collection. I'm going to keep these for a while. Like I said, I think these are going to be one of the best sneakers of 2019 for me. Personally, that's just my opinion. If Batman wore sneakers, he would definitely probably wear something like this.
I'm considering it.
Guys, that's my video for today. I'm going to throw this on foot, give you guys a better look at the sneaker. Let me know down in the comments, is this a cop or a drop? Let me know. But guys, if you enjoyed my video today, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.